Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at your plants and wondered, why are they not growing the way I want? No flowers, no fruits, weak leaves. What if I told you that the solution might already be in your kitchen and you're probably throwing it away? Today on Plato Farm and Garden, I'm going to show you a simple, powerful homemade fertilizer that can completely transform your plants. We're talking about stronger growth. Greener leaves, more flowers, and better fruit production. And the best part? It's cheap, natural, and super easy to make. So make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also show you how to apply it for best results. Step 1, the base. All right, let's start. Here I have about 2 liters of water in this container. Very simple. Now we're going to add our first ingredient, wood ash. We only need 2 teaspoons. This is powerful because it helps improve soil nutrients and balance pH. And yes, this is something many people just throw away. Step 2, the booster. Next ingredient, cinnamon powder. We'll add 1 tablespoon. Now this one is interesting. Cinnamon helps protect your plants from fungi diseases, some insects. So it's not just fertilizer, it's also protection. Shake lightly. Step 3, the secret ingredient. Now this is where it gets really exciting. Banana peel water. Tell me in the comments, do you throw away banana peels or reuse them? Because right here is pure plant gold. What I did was soak about 4 banana peels in 2 liters of water for 3 days. And this is loaded with potassium and nutrients your plants love. Now we pour it in for mixing. Now we close it and shake it well. You want everything to blend properly so your plants can absorb it easily. And just like that, your fertilizer is ready. Simple, right? This mixture is powerful because it provides nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium. Everything your plant needs to grow strong and healthy. So if you have a plant that is not growing, not flowering, not producing fruits, you need to try this. Quick question. What plant are you struggling with right now? Is it vegetables, flowers, fruit trees? Drop it in the comments. I actually read them. How to apply it? Now let's apply it. Here I have a watering can with 2 liters of chlorine-free water. We're going to pour our mixture inside. Important tip, apply this in the evening, not during hot sun. Watch, this helps the plant absorb nutrients better. Let's test it on some plants. Here we have a lemon tree in a pot. Look at it. It's already producing fruits. First, we clear the base a little, then we water it. This helps the roots absorb all those nutrients directly. Now over here we have another plant, chayote vegetable plant. It's already growing and even starting to flower. This fertilizer will boost it even more. You can also strain this fertilizer, put it in a spray bottle, apply it on leaves, foliar spray. That gives even faster results. So there you have it, a simple natural fertilizer that can make a huge difference in your garden. Now I want you to do something. Try this at home and come back and tell me your results. And before you go, drop a comment. Where are you watching from? I'd really love to know. It helps me connect with you better. If this helped you in any way, give this video a like. Share it with someone who loves gardening. And if you're new here, this is Plato Farm and Garden, where we help you grow smarter, healthier plants naturally. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.